Hey Cancer, welcome back. This is A from High Five Survive Zero, and this is your Sun, Moon, Rising sign and Venus general reading for the sign of Cancer. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. If it doesn't resonate, that's okay. Perhaps next month's message is the one for you. But I've always believed in synchronicity, so there must be something in here that you need to hear today. Thank you for being here and welcome back. The continuation of this reading is non existent. You could just visit the website or my website to check out free readings, free three card spreads, and unlimited shuffles. Also, the decks used would have to be there. What happened? Did somebody prevent you from um, choosing a path that you truly want? Are you having regrets with your decision or with where you are at in your life right now? You seem to be, I don't know, but the energy I first picked up on is regrets. Something did not manifest because, I don't know, you held back taking action. Perhaps there's fear, or perhaps there is a person in your life who is trying to influence your actions. It's not that they're directly telling you what to do, but it could also be the way, it could also be the situation. Somebody may be telling you what to do, manipulating you, but it could also be as like an unwritten rule that you are walking on eggshells. You are living a life that is based on the decision of others. So here you are. If you would pass away tomorrow, what's one thing you would change in your life right now? You are at that point in your life wherein you are thinking, what's next for me? Or you're thinking, how can I grow? How can I develop further? How can I grow my career? But with the three of wands right here, there you had an opportunity to, I don't know, to invest in something, to enter a business deal, to accept a job offer. But because you're restraining yourself, perhaps imposter syndrome, you are doubting your abilities or you're doubting yourselves, or somebody may have told you that you are not good enough. And because of those scripts in your head, you just didn't have the courage to pursue this opportunity further. Regrets and overthinking, how can I make it right? Perhaps you're thinking, how can I make it right? Analysis paralysis, you can't sleep. You're losing sleep about your visions of the future, or there's something you want to change in your life. Oh, nice. Coming out. Is such a beautiful card, the most positive card in the tarot, the Sun card. Happiness, joy. Perhaps for some of you, you are pregnant and it is an unplanned pregnancy. You are doubting yourself whether you could provide for this kid, you could secure a good future for this kid, and you are contemplating, you are regretful that not because you're having a new child, but you're regretful because perhaps you're thinking, I could have prevented it, I could have taken contraception. And for some of you, maybe just maybe just one person will relate to this. For some of you, maybe you were just forced, you were forced to bear this child. But the Sun card here, it seems like the universe will find a way for you to look at the bright side of the situation. Somebody will try to earn your trust. Perhaps you have broken up with this person who seemed to influence every decision you make. You were scared making a big decision because of this person's manipulative tactics or their influence, and perhaps you have already expressed breaking up with them or leaving the situation behind, um, cutting ties with them, but here they are extending their olive branch to you and making amends or trying to win you over. Somebody will try to win you over, but you're just sick and tired of, let's say, what their family is saying about you, what their family is saying behind your back, what his or her friends are saying behind your back. And it's just messing up with your head. You don't have the energy for it. And perhaps somebody just messed with your head. And because whoever this group or this person is, they are very instrumental in your decision not to wield that wand or to manifest something or to bring something to fruition. I'm not really sure what the specific scenario is, but an example would be, your mother-in-law may have talked you out of relocating for a new job. Your partner may have talked you out of a career promotion because they want you to focus on him, focus on the family, focus on the new family, have a new baby. And for some reason, you regret the fact that you listened to them because you're the one who knows what's right for you, and you didn't listen to your gut feel. That's what I am getting here. With the judgment right here, oh, now you are second guessing. I don't know if it has something to do with you not trusting this group of people anymore, not trusting the family of your lover anymore. And from now on, perhaps you're telling yourself, from now on, I will just focus on myself. I will just focus on, I should have listened to myself. I should have listened to my gut feel because I know what's best for me, and I should have not listened to people who tells me what I have to do. Nine of Wands, the analysis paralysis phase, or what are these people? Who are these people, and what are telling you? Being wounded. For some of you, perhaps you want to pursue a career path that your family is not in agreement with. Oops. Ooh. Be mindful that you would make a decision that is based on other people's opinions, and you would make impulsive decisions because you were hurt or because you just want to get it over with. Just because you want to get it over with, you would do anything that is offered to you. I don't want to think about it. Yes, you will just say yes, even if you don't want to do it because there's that pressure. If it has something to do with pregnancy or bearing a child, perhaps the people around you are pressuring you to um, start a family. You don't want to get pregnant, and so your partner made the decision to do it via surrogacy. I don't know. Something, everything that is happening around you is, if you would be asked about what's happening around you, it's not something that you have an active participation in. Say you're starting a family. It's not something that you are consulted about. It's not something that you really want for your life. And you have missed opportunities, you have those feelings of oppression, feelings of not feeling good enough, being codependent. You were hurt, you can't sleep, and here you are not taking an action for yourself. There's naivety here also. But ending your reading is a sun card here and the Eight of Wands, fast communication. It seems like a 180-degree turn from where you are right now until what will happen this November or towards the end of November, or it could also be 8 weeks after this reading, December. Something will come to you, some message will come to you fast, and it's not something you would expect. This message, wait for it, this message will turn your life into something positive, big, and it's life changing. Something will come your way that will change your life. And that seems to be a good reading to end Cancer's reading. Good card, I mean, to end Cancer's reading. What do we have here? Ooh, Ava. You have to be careful about people you entrust your life with, you entrust your secrets with. Someone around you is not who you think they are. They're showing you a different side of themselves. They're projecting something. I don't know, maybe they want to appear good to you. But if your gut feel says, let's say your mother-in-law, a friend, your partner's best friend, is something that gives you that niggling feeling that you have to get rid of them or stay away from them, request your partner to stay away from them, then your gut feel must be right. Somebody around you is deceptive. Somebody around you is manipulative. Somebody around you may want to offer you a cup of love and is taking interest in you. But I kind of feel like whoever this person is who is taking interest in you, it's not gonna happen overnight. It's not like they're messaging you tomorrow, but maybe next week. Because some communication will come out fast. Be mindful of the people who derail your growth and who derail your manifestation. Focus on your dreams, goals, ambitions, and you shouldn't care less about what other people think. So I guess I would have to leave it at that, dear Cancer. Thank you for being here. My name is A, and see you soon. Bye bye.